Crazy Cassie, she's wild and free, talking about life. Just wait and see. Laugh, chat, stories you'll adore. Crazy Cassie, you'll come back for more.
So this is what I like to call dinner time with Cassie. This is the actual fit. So just a hoodie, shorts, socks. My socks are dirty. Doesn't matter. This pan needs a clean, low key. And I don't want to clean it, so we're going to use a different pan. Do I have any other pans? Don't have any other pans. Oh, we'll just use it. I don't care. I genuinely don't care at this point. Okay. There's no way to set you up. There we go. Cooking with Cassie. I don't really know what to... I could just use this pan. This wee pot, pan, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So if you can hear the washing machine, then deal with it, to be quite honest, because I'm not sorting it. Right. Oh my god, I'm just too smart. Right, so looking oil. So we're making our chicken meal wrap. Chicken meal. So we need chicken. Do I have any chicken? I've got chicken. So we're just gonna bring that shizzle up. So Brooke's lovely girlfriend, Chelsea, gave me this idea to do cooking recipes as well as back to what I was doing before I burnt myself. I low-key need to clean this shit. Back to what I was doing before that I actually like nearly died. So yeah, chicken meal wrap. I'm in the middle of eating our wrap because it's wrapped all shit together. But we've got mayonnaise, we've got the big ass wrap. I need to put the mayonnaise on the wrap actually. Hold on. There we go. So I like a lot of mayonnaise, especially on a wrap. There we go. Looking amazing. Back to my chicken stand. What? Chicken station. I don't trust myself. But yeah, once I get like the Christmas stuff that I've ordered in the mail, well I haven't ordered it yet, the Christmas stuff that I'm to order for people, I'm going to make videos of me like putting the stuff in boxes, because I'm also going to put like chocolates in etc. But she'll get that. I'm also going to make a pan of chocolate later after my dinner. I've had a packet of Reese's Pieces, like the mini ones, the unwrapped ones, pardon me by the way, and I got blue, like the silver blue raspberry ones, like of the Sour Fat Kids. So, yeah, I'll be back shortly. So here's my chicken placing point of view. So we have the chicken. You can't really see it, but just deal with it. The chicken. More. More. And more. So that's all the chicken. And then see, I was gonna put more on it, but I just can't be fucked. So we'll just put a bit of mayonnaise on the top. Not much, because obviously it's already covered in mayo. But that's my wrap. I'll sort this off camera. I'm looking at absolute riot with that because I put my hair up because I'm literally just nearly fucking spewed. But it's alright. So we're making our pan of chocolate. It's just like a frozen thing. So we're back to the bacon. So we're sat in the living room now. My granddad just phoned me, right, and I was sat fucking screaming hello down the phone. And he wasn't replying to me. And I'm like, what the shit? So I hung up on him. Right, so my pan of chocolat. I'm away to my bed because that was a fucking effort and a half. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today's weekend video. I love you all. Have a blessed night. Hope you have an amazing rest of your night.